Hello guys, today I'm going to take one of the very important topic of aptitude called data sufficiency. Not only it is required to clear competitive exams, even in company specific, you need to be good at data sufficiency. So there will be a lot of questions on data sufficiency because data sufficiency questions are sometimes very tricky. There's a reason you'll see a lot of data sufficiency questions in exam, company specific, also in competitive exams. So let me take few example and explain how to approach data sufficiency. What is data sufficiency? Data sufficiency is there will be question followed by hints or statements. Question followed by hints or statement. Using hints or statement, you just need to check question can be answered or not. It's only question can be answered or not. Say for example, question is find x. Say find x, and two hints given is say hint one or statement one. Sum of there are two numbers. Say there are two numbers x and y. You need to find x value. If you add those two numbers, you'll get 10 or x plus y equals to 10. If you multiply or product equals to 24. You just need to tell me question can be answered using one of the statement. Question can be answered using either statement. Question can be answered but both statements required, or question cannot be answered. So let me explain the options first. Let me explain the options. First, if the question can be answered using one of the statement alone, but cannot be answered using other statement alone. For example, say here you can answer the question using 10. Say question can be answered using statement 1 sum equals to 10, but you cannot answer using second statement. Say, or you can answer using second statement but you cannot answer using first statement separately. Say, even either way it is option A or option 1. Okay, so you can answer the question using statement 1 separately, and you can answer the question using statement 2 also separately. Say, then it is option B, either statement or not. If you need both statement after combining only question can be answered, say, then it is option C, both. Both is option C. And if you cannot answer it even after combining, then it is option D. These are the four options, standard option for data sufficiency question. Now, if I take this example, that is first one, find X, and two hints or two statements, sum equals to 10, product equals to 24. If you look at this carefully, only 6 plus 4, 10 possible, and 6 into 4, 24 possible. If you combine both, you have 6 plus 4, 6 into 4. But if you take only statement 1, then you have 10 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 8 plus 2, multiple answers are there. If you take only second statement, 24 into 1, 12 into 2, 8 into 3, 6 into 4, many answers. So if I take only first one, multiple answers. Only second one, multiple answers. If I combine it, then I have 6 plus 4, 6 into 4. That's it. No other value is possible if I combine it, right? So it is not first one. It is not second one. So I need to check is third one or fourth one now. So after combining, I have 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 into 4 is 24. Now what is X? X equals to either 6 or 4. So you're not sure, isn't it? So maybe 6, may not be 6, maybe 4, may not be 4. Now in data sufficiency, if we have multiple answers, more than one answer, that means you're not sure about the answer. So question can be answered, no, question cannot be answered because not sure, X is 6 or 4, maybe 6, may not be 6, maybe 4, may not be 4. It is either 6 or 4. Question cannot be answered. So question number 1, option D, question cannot be answered even by using both statements together, even after combining. So it's clear that it is question cannot be answered, isn't it? Now let me take second one. I'll take second one here only so that you will come know about the options. Second one, say question number 2, how is X related to Y? How is X related to Y? All right. So statement 1 or hint 1, M is son of Y. Statement 2, M is brother of X. M is brother of X. Now, what you have to find? Again, the four options. That's it. Within the four options. Is it you have to find the answer here? No. Answer is all about question can be answered or not. Question can be answered. If you can answer using one of the statement, fine. Option A. Either statement B, both statement C cannot be answered is fourth option. If M is son of Y and M is brother of X, if M is brother of X, how is X related to M? X is either brother or sister of M, isn't it? M is brother of X, all right, but X is either brother or sister. If X is brother, then he is related. How he is related to Y? Son of Y. If X is sister, how is she related to Y? Daughter of Y. Now, how is X related to Y? X related to Y is either son of Y or daughter of Y. Son of Y or daughter of Y, isn't it? So, question can be answered? No. How is Y related to X? Either father or mother. Either father or mother. So question can be answered? No, question cannot be answered. Again, question number 2, fourth option, question cannot be answered. Right? So let me take third one. 123 equals to I like mathematics. 452 equals to I hate chemistry. These are the statements. Okay. Now question is find 2. Question is find 2. Question is find 2. Statements are 123 is I like mathematics. 452 is I hate chemistry. Now when I say 123 I like mathematics, I need to check using statement 1 question can be answered or not first, right? So let me check. Is it 1 is I? Not necessarily I. Anywhere it is mentioned that it is in same order? No. Is it 2 is like? Not necessarily like. Is it 3 is mathematics? Not necessarily mathematics. So 1 is either I or like or mathematics. Same with the 2, same with 3. Now next, what is 4? 4 is either I or hate or chemistry. Same with 5, same is 2. I or hate or chemistry. But there is digit 2 in first number. There is digit 2 in the second number also. That 2 is common. If one digit is common, then definitely one word is also common on the right hand side, right? So in 2 sentences, I is common. So what 2 equals to? So it's very clear that 2 equals to I. Rest of the digit you cannot find, but 2 is definitely I. Question is answered. Question is answered, all right. Is it using only one of the statement, either statement or both statement? Both statement. We used both statement, then only we came to know that 2 equals to I. Question is answered using both statements together. So it is option C. Option C. Question can be answered, but both statements are required. Okay. And the next one. Next one, fourth one. Find sum of 2 numbers. Find sum of 2 numbers. Statement 1. LCM of those 2 numbers is 21. Statement 2. One of the number is 7. One of the number is 7. LCM of those 2 numbers is 21. One of the number is 7. You need to find sum of 2 numbers. First, you need to take statement 1 only. Don't combine it straight away. Take statement 1 only. When I take statement 1, 1 and 21 LCM is 21. That is by default. 21 and 21 LCM is 21. That is also by default because 1 and X LCM is X. X and X LCM is also X. Other than that, you have 3 and 7 LCM is 21. You have 3 and 21 LCM is 21. You have 7 and 21 LCM is 21. Now there are 5 answers. So using statement 1, question cannot be answered. If I take only second statement, if you know one of the number is 7, is it you can find sum of 2 numbers? To find sum of 2 numbers, you need to know other number. Other number using only statement 2 possible? No. So you need to combine and see other number is possible or not. Other number possible, but there are how many numbers where one of the number is 7? You can see 1 here where one of the number is 7. I have one more where one of the number is 7. 3 and 7 LCM is 21. 7 and 21 LCM is also 21. So sum of 2 numbers is either it is 3 plus 7, 10, or it is 7 plus 21, 28. Again, there are 2 answers. So you're not sure sum of two numbers is 10 or 28. So question cannot be answered. Option D or fourth option. Question cannot be answered even if you combine it, because there are multiple answers. In fact, two answers. Okay. Fifth one is a plus b into a minus b even. Statement 1, a plus b equals to odd number. Statement 2, a minus b equals to odd number. A plus b is odd number, a minus b is also odd number. You just need to find is a plus b into a minus b even or not. Now, if I take statement 1 only, say my answer for the question is odd, that means question is answered or question is not answered. Question is answered. It's all about question can be answered or not. If answer is no, that doesn't mean that question is not answered. For example, in primary school, is 13 even? Two options, yes, no, that's it. Now answer for the question is no. Answer for the question is no. Question is answered or not? Question is answered, answer is no, right? So in data sufficiency, it is all about question can be answered or not. Question can be answered or not. Question can be yes. Answer can be yes also. Can be no also. Is a plus b into a minus b even? No, it is not even. It's odd number. Question is answered. Again, I'll ask. Is a plus b into a minus b even? No, it is not even. It is odd number. Question is answered. All right. So let's check it. If a plus b is odd number, so let me take a plus b into a minus b. Now I take first statement. If a plus b is odd number, by default a minus b is also odd number. If we add two numbers, if sum is odd, then difference between those two numbers is definitely odd. No need to check by default. Now odd into odd is odd number. No, it is not even, but question is answered using statement 1. Now I take statement 2. If a minus b is odd number, by default a plus b is also odd number. Again, odd into odd is odd number. So it is not even, it is odd. Question is answered. Yes, of course, question is answered. So either way, question is answered. Question can be answered using either statement alone. Question can be answered using either statement alone. So it is option B. So either way, question can be answered. Using first one, yes, it is not even, answer. Using second one, yes, it is not even, answer. Either way, question is answer. Let me take one more. Sixth one. Find A and B. You need to find A value, also B value, where A and B are positive integers. Where A and B are positive integers. Statement 1, a square minus b square equals to 5. Statement 2, a minus b equals to 1. A minus b equals to 1. Now first I'll take statement 1 only. You know that a and b are positive integers. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 is 25 and so on. Now difference between 1 and 4 is 3, 4 and 9 is 5, next is 7, next is 9, 11 and so on till infinity. Difference 5 possible only once, that is 3 square minus 2 square. So if difference is 5, definitely the number is 3 square minus 2 square. No other square number difference is 5. There any other square number where difference is 5? No, only 3 square minus 2 square is 5. So it's very clear that A is 3, B is 2. Question is answered using statement 1. But you need to check using statement 2, you can answer it or not separately. Only statement 2. Indirectly don't use first statement, only statement 2. When I take a minus b equals to 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. There are many numbers where difference is 1. Cannot use first statement, only second. No, second state that difference between two numbers is 1. There are infinite number where difference is 1. So using statement 2, question cannot be answered. Using statement 1, question can be answered. Question can be answered using one of the statement, but cannot be answered using other statement alone. So it is option A. Option A, question can be answered using one of the statement, but cannot be answered using other statement alone. Option A it is. So this is how you need to approach data sufficiency. If you want more questions on this, then check that in the second part of data sufficiency. Thank you so much, guys.